I come back here, doing an AC startup. What is going on here? What the heck is going on with this thing? Looks like it's a new variable speed. But it's not. What happened? Dude, I didn't expect this on a new startup. It's freaking strange. Let's see. That is super strange. Let me get you on the mount. We'll check some voltage. Strange. So we installed this one later in the year, and it was disconnected. We left it disconnected because we don't want them starting it up over the winter. So I went to start it up, and that's what I got. Very strange. Let's see what kind of voltage I'm getting here. That's the wackiest thing ever. I'm getting 112 volts. Let's see. Huh? Huh? So, I'm gonna get these glasses out of the way. So I got my power coming in, which goes to load, which is to my outside, right? Yeah. It should work. Should work. But I don't like it. They're in the wrong spot. So which one's my load? Line, load. What is that? That's my line. Here's my load. Huh. Did they do it because they don't have enough wire? Is that why they did it? What is going on? Black? This should go to line. That should go to line. We're doing this hot. We're doing it hot. All right. Now let's see what kind of voltage I got. I got who wired this thing? So I got line. 120 volts. 120 volts. So I'm gonna take this one. since it's longer, I'm going to put it over on this one. This is the load side. Line, load. It's really strange. It should be on a double pole breaker. Very strange. I'm only getting one side of the breaker. We'll have to go in and see. Interesting. Gotta find out where the electrical's at. And ooh, I don't know. This house is on a property. The meter is not. Oh, it should be in this room right here. So let's go in and find out what they got going on. Because I think the meter is way up at the other house, or at the pole barn. AC 11. Heh. 11. I got a water heater, range, disposal, dishwasher, well, electrician's gonna have to come and figure that one out. All right, we're gonna tidy this back up. We're gonna leave this to the off position. If it will go in. Aren't you going in? We'll just leave it there. Let me get this back on. Let me get that back on. So, one thing I noticed is that there's nothing coming through the back there. And the lady told me that she had, there's a company in town that did the electrical. What, you know, a reputable electrical company. That doesn't look like that. That doesn't look like their work. And then I talked to the son-in-law. The son-in-law said he's going to pick up a circuit breaker today. And I'm like, well, why wouldn't you just call an electrician out here to do it? So, and also he said that he was told it was a 120 volt system, which the furnace is, but the AC's not. I'm thinking he did that, the electrical. Now he wants to blame us for some reason, because technically he was told that it was a 120 volt system. Well, the electrical didn't look like the kind of work that company does. It just doesn't, because I've worked with the company before on different jobs, and they do stuff pretty spot on, unless, I don't even know how it passed inspection, really, not being, you know, that, not having a fitting right there, and just raw right through the back. It was just inspected like a few months back. So I don't know what's going on there. There's something, and he said he was told it was a 120 volt system, which I don't know. I don't know where he got that from. Maybe he was thinking about the furnace. I'm not sure. Maybe he got confused with the air and told the electricians, hey, it's 120 volt air conditioner. I don't know, but I'm the bad guy, so I always get the blunt of it. So once and that's another thing, he's like, oh, I'll just pick up a breaker tonight and get it installed. He was pissed off with me. It's like, hey man, not my house. I don't know what to tell you. So I left the disconnect out. He's gonna have to push the disconnect in there tonight after he gets done with what he's got doing, what he's gonna do. And we'll go from there. It's kind of a weird, and it's like the wires were goofy, reversed. It's like, why are the wires reversed? I mean, to wire something, electrician will wire something up, load goes to load and line goes to line. I don't know. All I know is it was wrong. So sometimes I really dislike new construction crap, because everything gets mixed up. Alright guys, you guys know what you need to do. Hit up the GoFundMe, the Zelle, the Venmo, Amazon wish list for my son, going through cancer right now. And like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.